doll collectors and gift givers. Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today, we are taking a look at the new Barbie Fashionistas with the new packaging. I have been slowly buying this collection since the holidays from Amazon and Target for about $9.99 each for the single dolls. And we've got all of them except for one. Still waiting for number 155 to show up, and it's supposed to be delivered today. Fingers crossed! We opened the new Made to Move Ken in our Ultimate Christmas haul last year, along with the blonde wheelchair Barbie that I kind of already had swapped. And here is the brunette wheelchair Barbie. The wheelchair dolls were all priced at about $19.99 each. So if the last doll arrives, that means we have the whole collection. Let's start with number 166. This doll comes in large plastic packaging with an illustration of the doll at the bottom. On the back of the box, there is a picture of all the dolls in this collection. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, this doll has a chocolate skin tone, brown eyes, a reddish-orange lipstick, heart sunglasses. She has a light crimp to her hair, giving it some texture, wears a fitted rainbow dress with yellow stitching, a white hip bag, aka fanny pack, white tennis shoes, has a red wheelchair, and a purple ramp. These dolls are on a made-to-move body, so they can move at the head, the shoulder, the upper arm. There's a double joint at the elbow. They can move at the wrist, the upper chest, the hip, move at the upper thigh, bend at the knee, and at the ankle. And her eyes and lips are nice and smooth. Up next, we are taking a look at doll number 163. This is a Ken doll in that new packaging. There's a little plastic stay on the side. We just have to remove that so we can use the zipper. I gotta tell ya, I'm liking this already. There is another plastic insert inside, so we're just going to remove that. The background image is paperboard and it is very easy to remove, leaving us with a reusable Barbie case that we can use as a pencil case, a makeup bag, or as a travel bag for our dolls. Hey, careful with the merchandise. So yeah, I'm definitely hanging on to this. There is a plastic stay holding the doll in place. Once cut, it's pretty easy to remove. I do believe this is a slim Ken. He has sculpted hair with a little part on the side and dimples. He wears a long sleeve multicolored top with a printed pocket and zipper, blue shorts. They are two separate pieces and Velcro in the back. His shoes are a cream color and have socks attached. They are all sculpted together. They are split in the back, which makes it easier to remove them. Taking a close look at his face paint, everything looks pretty good. I really like the matte finish, and his lip color looks very natural. And he looks like a pretty close skin match to the Made to Move Ken. Number 159. This is a petite Barbie with light brown blonde hair. Her eyes are kind of hazel. She has a pink lip color. It is a little pixelated. She comes with a blue visor, a graphic tie-dye shirt dress that velcros in the back, and she wears those classic white sneakers. Number 161 is a curvy Barbie with a light tangerine hair color. Her face paint looks really good. I like her eye shape. Her lipstick is smooth. Her hair stops at her waist. She wears a pink plaid wrap dress that velcros in the front. We have puff sleeves, a yellow hip bag, and translucent glitter shoes. I like the look of this doll. Her outfit is definitely a keeper, and I would love to see more things like this. I wonder if I can fit that dress. Ooh, it's a delivery! Look who just arrived. Doll number 155. Perfect timing too, because she was next. She has straight blonde hair reaching past her waist. Her face paint looks pretty good. She has a smooth pink lip color, yellow lightning bolt earrings, a black top that says rock, a pink faux leather skirt with an animal print. The top and the skirt are two separate pieces and Velcro in the back. And she finishes her look with translucent pink glitter boots. I love the earrings. They remind me of Frankie Stein, and I will totally use the top. Doll number 158. Looks ready for the gym. She has blonde hair, styled in two ponytails. She comes with purple sunglasses. She has blue eyes and a pink lip color, and it is a little pixelated. She wears a teal sleeveless top that says Malibu, multicolored leggings with an elastic waistband. The shirt and the pants are two separate pieces, and she comes with a pair of translucent hot pink sneakers. Wow, 3 pairs of translucent shoes. Doll number 160 is a classic Barbie. Oh wow, she has a very sweet face with brown eyes and a reddish orange lip color. Mine is a little pixelated. She has long dark brown hair, a yellow choker. She wears an orange polka dotted dress that gathers at the waist and has puff sleeves. There is no opening in the back, and she wears white ankle boots. I love how sweet she looks. You know, I might just repaint her lips and then I would be totally fine. Doll number 156. This doll has black hair, styled in an afro with a side part. Her face paint is pretty shiny. She has shiny eyebrows. You can see a white outline under her lip color. She wears an oversized varsity jacket as a dress. It has printed details, a blue collar, blue cuffs, and blue trim at the bottom. And she finishes her look with highlighter yellow heels with pom-poms. Her hair is really soft. I like the texture, but I probably won't style it in an updo because of the hairline. So I'm just gonna let her rock a nice big afro. I really like the jacket. The sleeves feel like a faux leather, it velcros in the front, and it is solid in the back. Doll number 157. This is a curvy Barbie with lavender hair, icy blue eyes, pink lips. It is a little pixelated. She wears a red plaid dress with stars, ruffles on the top of the sleeves, a zigzag stitch going down the center, a cactus sling bag, and white cowgirl boots. This is a face sculpt that I really like because I love the dimples. Doll number 164. I gotta say, I am loving the packaging. It is making unboxing so much easier. Is a broad Ken. He has sculpted hair. It is slicked back on the top and then faded on the sides. He has brown eyes, a neutral lip color. Everything looks nice and smooth. He wears a purple jersey with stars, orange trim, and it says Malibu 61 on the front, which is the year Ken was created. He wears teal colored pants with an elastic waistband, decorated with stars, and he finishes his look with a pair of white shoes. He also looks like a good match for the wheelchair Ken. Last but not least, here is doll number 162. And I just noticed that there are little inspirational quotes on the bottom of the boxes. You are capable of making great things happen in the world. Barbie. Oh, I love these. That is so cool. Okay, so what's on the bottom of his box? Oh, his is just blank. Looks like the quotes are only on the Barbie boxes and not the Ken ones. Speaking of Ken, this doll can totally be balanced to stand on his own, just like the other guys. However, unlike the other guys, he has hair. It is rooted on top and then faded on the sides. He has brown eyes and his paint job looks pretty good. This is a classic Ken body. He wears a purple multicolored t-shirt with blue trim, matching shorts. The top and the shorts are two separate pieces and they Velcro in the back. And he finishes his look with a pair of highlighter yellow tennis shoes. Out of all of the dolls, this one was the most difficult for me to find. All of the $9.99 Barbie Fashionistas have the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. My personal must-haves are doll number 161, 163, 160 because I just love her face, 156, 162 because I think that is a new face sculpt, and all of the made to moves because I love articulation. And remember, I changed her face. That is not her original look. This is. And you know what? I feel like doing another head swap right now with doll number 163. So I'm taking him and the made to move Ken and place them in a plastic bag, then place them in a cup of hot water. After letting them sit for a little while, remove them from the water. Be careful, it could be hot. Their heads are nice and squishy, so we can easily just pull them off. Place the new head on the made to move body. And now we have a new made to move Ken, whose dimples kind of remind me of the comedian Trevor Noah. Just for fun, let's paint his hair dark brown. Since his hair is sculpted, this is pretty easy to do. Darken his eyebrows and his eye color and a little bit of stubble. Now we need a hoodie. I wonder if this one will fit. Look at that. The Billie Eilish sweatshirt is a perfect fit. I paired it with some gray Ken joggers. Use a little silver paint to paint the grommets on his shoes. Just a little bit of detail really makes the shoes pop. And now we have our very own comedian in the miniverse. Thank you for joining us for this Barbie Fashionista haul. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and The Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Let me waste your time. Solving